Once again, we request for
tayo. Ano ba tayo, di ba? Ano ba tayo? Wala ko tayo. Wala kayo kasbit namin dyan eh.
Ayan, mapak.
Kapaps. Kapaps. Abangan ko yan ha.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are about to begin the 9th Senior High School graduation ceremony of the Kawayan National High School with the theme Filipino graduates prepare to lead with the competence and character. Please join us as we commence our program.
Today marks a monumental milestone to Batch Sapienza. It is a day of triumph, a day of looking back at the journey, and most importantly, a day of looking forward to the future.
Let us now welcome the candidates for graduation of Batch 2025-2026 together with their proud parents and guardians as they begin their march toward this important milestone.
Leading the procession, we now present the Technical Vocational Livelihood Track, beginning with the Information and Communications Technology strand, Section Babbage, with their advisor, Miss American G. Baptist.
Sasalalan natin yung mga magulo doon. Bulong mortahan ko. Alam ba kayo? Shout out, shout out!
Nasaan natin? Wala kang tao mga paps.